One prompt into Claude, 6 listing photos of the same luxury house, same stone, same brass, same light, and then a camera move that walks you through the front door. No camera, no Photoshop, no stock. This is the Higgsfield MCP. Higgsfield is the aggregator site. GPT Image 2, Seedance, Kling, Veo, all under one roof. The MCP part means any AI agent, Claude, Cursor, whatever speaks model context protocol can drive all of it with tool calls instead of you clicking around a web UI. Before we go further, a quick look at what's actually on the shelf here. GPT Image 2 for stills, Nano Banana Pro when you need 4K and clean text, Seedance, Kling, and Veo for video, Soul for characters, plus upscalers, outpainting, background removal, the whole kit. Every one of these is a separate subscription somewhere else on the internet. Here it's one catalog and your agent can call any of them mid-conversation. Setup is one URL. Claude, settings, connectors, add custom connector, paste mcp.higgsfield.ai/mcp sign in once. That's the whole install. First thing I did was ask Claude if it's actually connected and how many credits I've got left. It calls the balance tool and answers right. In chat, generations burn credits. So you'll be checking this a lot. Money talk for a second, because this matters. Higgsfield runs on credits. I'm on the Ultra plan and every tier of every model has its own price. You can see the Seedance tiers listed right there with full access. Top-ups are one click. And since the agent can read your balance anytime, you always know exactly where you stand before you fire off a big batch of generations. Here's the brief: 6 real estate shots of one property, exterior at dusk, living room, kitchen, master bedroom, bathroom, backyard pool, one shared style block, white oak floors, matte black and brass, golden hour, 24mm lens. Consistency lives or dies on that block. Now here's what makes the MCP part genuinely special. I never told Claude which model ID to use. It searched the catalog itself, found GPT Image 2, read the parameters, aspect ratios, resolutions, quality tiers, and then built the whole API call on its own. That's the real difference between a chatbot with a link and an agent with tools it actually knows how to use. The agent picks GPT Image 2 from the catalog 2K high quality and renders the exterior first. 75 seconds later, this 2048 by 1360 straight off the API. Now the trick? GPT Image 2 has no seed control here, so the exterior's job ID gets passed as a reference image to every other shot. 5 prompts fired in parallel, each one told same house as the reference. 100 seconds later, all 5 are done. And here is honestly my favorite part of this whole workflow. I walked away from the keyboard, the agent sat there polling the jobs, downloading each file as it landed, naming them 1 through 6 and saving everything into the project folder. 27 minutes of session time. And my total involvement was pasting one brief and coming back to a finished folder. 6 shots, 1 building, living room with the fireplace wall, kitchen, waterfall island, brass pendants, bedroom in soft morning light, bathroom, marble slab and a freestanding tub, and the backyard where you can check the trick actually worked. Same limestone, same black frames, same sconces as the front. Zoom in and the consistency gets almost spooky. The brass pendants over the kitchen island match the sconces on the front of the house. The white oak flooring runs warm through every single room. Even the marble veining in the bathroom picks up the same warm gray as the exterior limestone. One reference image passed to 5 prompts did all of that. Photos sell the listing, video sells the feeling. Same MCP, different model. Seedance 2.0, the exterior becomes the start frame, the living room becomes the end frame, and the prompt asks for one continuous gimbal dolly in through the front door. The video prompt is worth reading closely because there's a craft to it. Start frame, the exterior, at dusk, end frame, the living room, and then just plain English. Slow gimbal dolly in through the space. Smooth glide, golden hour light, shallow depth of field. Seedance figures out everything in between, including walking the camera straight through a closed glass front door. 8 seconds, 1080p, starts at the facade I generated, ends on the sofa I generated, and the camera never cuts. The finished file lands right back in Claude, plays inside the chat widget, and gets saved next to the 6 photos. 8 seconds, 1080p, 11 megabytes, H264. Ready for a listing page, an Instagram post, or a client email. Watch it once more. What's genuinely good? One connector. Every frontier model, so you're not juggling 6 subscriptions. The reference image trick holds a property together across shots, and your agent does the weighting, the polling, and the file handling for you. And this obviously is not just a real estate trick. Same workflow, different brief, product shots for an e-commerce store, food photography for menu, hotel and Airbnb marketing, interior design portfolios, fashion lookbooks, anything that needs one consistent visual world across a set of images plus a video to bring it to life. Where I'd take this project next. Upscale the hero exterior to 4K for print. Outpaint it into a wide banner for the listing site. Reframe the walkthrough to 9:16 vertical for reels and shorts. Maybe generate a second walkthrough from the kitchen to the pool. All of that is the same connector, the same chat, just more prompts. If you're a realtor, a stager, or an agency mocking up campaigns, this is a full listing kit from one prompt. If you need pixel exact floor plans of a real property, this is not that. It invents a beautiful house. It doesn't photograph yours. So the final scorecard, one URL pasted into Claude once, one brief, 6 consistent 2K listing photos of a house that does not exist. One cinematic walkthrough video with a camera move no drone pilot could fly. About an hour of wall clock time, and most of that was me watching progress bars while the agent did the work. Higgsfield MCP, one URL into Claude, the whole model catalog behind it. Link below, go generate a house. See you in the next one.